Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to be packing for my trip to Korea. But first, I want to get some Starbucks. So let's go get Starbucks. Hey guys, I'm a wreck. I'm actually a wreck. So now we're headed back to my house so I can pack my luggage. So we'll see you there. Okay, so don't mind the fact that I changed outfits and I look completely different. The suitcase that I had was way too small, so I had to order another one, and it just came today, so we are going to unbox it. Where's my knife? Knife? Go. Oh, it's under me. Easy. Easy. Here's the suitcase. What is this? Guys, I don't know what's fitting in here. I don't know what is gonna fit in here. I think after consulting with my mom, it's pretty big. So that's the suitcase. I have that suitcase, which is the one I was going to use, which is small, very small. And then there's my new one. So I think I'll try and keep that one empty, and we'll see if I can put all my stuff in here, but who knows. Yeah, these are the airtight vacuum clothes space stuff. But we're gonna figure out how to put my clothes in these. I think there's 10 of them. I think. I gotta use this thing. What is this? This is the clothes that I'm supposedly packing. I think this is what I want to take. We have all my jeans and pants. We have a lot of shirts. Skirts and shorts, dresses, pajama pants, I guess, winter stuff, and this cute little corset thing, clubbing, yes. And yeah, so I have to fit all of this into that. These are huge. We'll start with my shirts. Look at this cute shirt. Like, I have to take this. I don't know if I'll have enough room. Oh, I don't know how to open this. I don't want to break it. How do you open this? Oh, I think I do. Next victim. Literally, I don't even know what this is. Okay, shirts are done. I'm only bringing 2 dresses. Why do I have so many clothes? Honestly, I think I might be able to fit all of my clothes in this one bag. I don't think I need this much bag. I'm just gonna leave them in here. I haven't even worn these. I can never be unprepared when it comes to socks. Maybe I packed too much socks. I don't know. My skirts and my shorts. I need those. Next are my pajama pants. Okay, I'm running out of space here. And last but not least, my clothes. Bag, guys. Now I have to figure out how to close this. For the life of me, I can't figure out how to do this. Hello? Why is it not closing? I'm okay. What is the point of this thing if it doesn't close it? Like, hello? Like, how do I work this? What? What do you mean? I can't even get this closed. Like, I don't think I've ever struggled on something so hard. It's like a Ziploc bag, but like it's not closing. Okay, wait, maybe I'm getting somewhere. Beginning. Ow! That actually hurt. Because I'm getting frustrated. I'm gonna crash out. Dude, close. What the heck? I had to get some help from my mother. But it's closed. How do you get this out? So do I just like... Girl, I fear it's not doing anything. It broke. Wait, did I break it? Okay, I didn't break it. Bro, this is about the stupidest thing. My arm hurts. Guys, like this hurts so bad.
One eternity later.
Okay, now do I just like grab this thing, put it back on there? Alright. My clothes! Bro, this is humongous. So, let's see if this will actually fit. Bro, this thing's so stupid. Ooh! Ooh! I can't. It's too heavy. I can't do it. I actually can't. Get in there. Get in there! Bro, if I have to undo this, I'm done. Please get in here. Get in the bag, bro. Get in there. It won't go in. It won't go in. It won't go in. It won't go in. Please. I need clothes and I don't want to redo all that. That hurts so bad. Please get in there, bro. Get in. I don't know what to do. This stupid handle is blocking. It's blocking it. Remove yourself. I'm about to cut you off. What kind of stupid idiot designed this suitcase? I need to know the thought process behind this suitcase making, because this is the dumbest I've ever seen. I'm about to cut it. I'm about to cut it. How am I gonna carry my suitcase? I don't know. All I know is that this, I'm gonna have to read. Oh! I'm gonna have to take this out and make a smaller bag. You're not hearing from me for the rest of the day. I'm gonna try one more time. One more time. It's gotta fit. I just want my clothes to go in the bag. Can you just go in the bag? I can't do this. Okay, guys, it's time to use the vacuum again. It's like the dumbest. Ow, that hurt my finger. Now I have to go and hurt my arm again. Bro, don't piss me off. Okay, we're working with a shorter bag. Hopefully this one fits. If not, I'm going to crash out. Right, this one should fit. It should. Get in there. Oh, it fit. It fit. Okay. Now we have to put all these into another bag. I finally got all my clothes into this other bag. This should be the final time that I do this. I hope. Then after that, I have to pack my shoes. Oh my god, bruh. Guys, this is too much work. My arm is like on the verge of dying. But like, gains, I guess. Now, put this into there. Or try to anyways. Hopefully it fits. If it doesn't, then I'm not doing another bag. I'll just remove clothes. Uh-oh. Please. Please. I beg you. Get in there. I think it fits. It's in there. Yeah, I still have room for my shoes. So I want to take these boots, and I want to take these Converses, and these Mary Jane things. Not really Mary Jane's, but anyway. So now I have to fit all of these in that suitcase. Maybe one at a time. I'm actually running out of room in this suitcase. Guys, it's actually not fitting. Just have to do one shoe at a time. You next. Come on. Bro. Okay, next. These Converses. Oh my god. I need to evenly distribute this weight. It is not evenly distributed. Please stop falling on me. You are heavy. And last but not least, these shoes. Guys, my suitcase is full. Guys, this is actually really funny. So this is my suitcase. Very heavy, very weirdly shaped. Like, I don't even know what is going on. But yeah, and then I think I'm just gonna leave that suitcase empty for everything that I want to buy there, and I'm just gonna put it there. And so I think I'm done for now. I have to pack my like toiletries and things like that, but that can get done later. Right now, I'm going to go relax. So that was too much. You guys, leave a like if you did enjoy, and I will see you in the next vlog, which will be in Korea. Or at least the airplane. No, it'll be in Korea. Bye guys.